I got this $20 deposit bonus, and to be sincere with you guys, the process on how to claim it is pretty simple. Now all you just need to do is to follow the steps I'll be showing in the video, pay attention to every single details, and you'll be getting the bonus. Now for some time ago, I made a video about this bonus and its back, but right now it actually stated that it's specifically for Nigerian traders, so you can actually try to claim it if you're not from Nigeria and see if you get the bonus. But for now, they wrote in the email which I got that it's specifically for Nigerian traders. Now I'll be showing you every single details you need to be aware of. Now right here in my email, this was the email I got. So you can see it says get $20 deposit bonus, which right here says dear trader, and you can see the details right here on the screen. And regarding the video I used to post about contests, about competition, how you can get the bonus, I know some of you have a review you actually want to talk about those videos, but you need to make sure that your review actually respects the community, it respects this channel, because if it doesn't, I know for sure I'll take it out. Now for those of us who have issues with contests and competition, you actually that should be your issue, because other people actually used to trade it and make withdrawals from it. So there should be no issues about content. Anytime I drop content video, just if you know it doesn't fit you, just leave it and wait for the next video on a no deposit bonus. So in today's video, for those just coming across the channel, kindly subscribe, give the video a like, and don't forget to turn on notification, because it helps you get notified anytime I drop no deposit bonus, and you'll be among the first to get it before the bonus ends. So that's one clear advantage you get once your notification is turned on. So I'd say if you click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, the link takes you to my Telegram channel, and right under the post in the Telegram channel you'll be seeing the link that will bring you to broker right here, and that's named Vitaverse. Now I've actually made a video about this some time ago, and they are back. Like I showed you earlier in the beginning of the video, I showed you the email I got that there's a $20 deposit bonus available. Now like I said, if you click on the link and it brings you to this section right here, for those who actually have an account with them and you've been verified, you can actually just proceed to login into the site by clicking on login. And if you know you don't have an account with them, you can just click on register. You can see it's right beside this option that says login. Now if you click on register, it takes you to this section where you actually need to fill in your first name, your last name, fill in your email address, the country where you're from, every single details you need to fill in into this box. And once you're done, you click on register, and then you'll be asked to actually verify your email address. And like I said, you need to make sure you verify your details, submit your document for verification. Now to do that, you actually just need to click on these three lines at the top right here, and you'll be seeing an option that says my profile. And once you click on profile, then you'll be able to submit your details. So you can see mine have already been verified, and I can actually proceed to claim the bonus. Now to be able to get the bonus, you can see this thing among the options right here in the three lines which is above. If you click on the three lines above, among the options you see no deposit bonus. Now once you click on that, it shows you details just like this on the screen. Now like I said, I've claimed it before, and if you actually, for those who have seen who came across the video last time, you just need to click on this right here. You see there's no option deposit bonus right here, but you can see on the screen there's a section that says new challenge. Now if you click on new challenge, it shows you details like this, and you can see no deposit bonus, and it says free. So once you click on it, get details, you click on it, and it brings you options like this. All you need to do is you just click on proceed. You can see it's already showing for free, so you click on it, and then it actually puts your request under order. So once your request is being reviewed, and that after you've been verified, make sure you get verified before you actually proceed to actually come to this section to get the bonus. Make sure you get verified. So once you click on it and your request is under request order, so you come back later after, like, let's say the next day. By the next day you should be credited with the $20 bonus available right here under this section. And the last video which I made, some people actually had issues with actually getting their login details, which was not sent to their email, but there's a simple way to actually get it to avoid stressing you out. You should be able to link it to your empty file. So once you click on this icon right here, this place, click on this section right here, it shows you more details about the account. And under this section right here that says accounts, you see it right here. Once you click on it, you just scroll up a little bit, and then you'll be having the login details to your MT5 right in this section. That's very simple. If you actually don't watch this video to this section, you won't be able to get your login details. And I know, I'm actually still expecting people to actually comment the question for how to get login details and stuff, but I know I already explained it right here in the video. For those who actually don't watch the video to this section, as I won't actually reply to comment like that if you're actually requesting for login details. Right there you can see everything you need to know. The login details will be given to you under this section. Alright, so I'm sure everyone actually explained every single process which I explained in the video. So use that moment to actually subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and comment in the comment section if you have any aspect you don't understand, and I'll give you your reply. Have a nice day, guys.